Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I would like to discuss adding coffee, sugar, and creamer to our preps. I feel that this is one of our comforts. In a lot of our lives, it's a necessity. I know in my life it is. Coffee or caffeine is one of the things that I drink every single morning, even afternoon, even at night. For me, it helps with my headaches. I have been diagnosed with chronic migraines. I do take medication. I take a preventative medication to stop my migraines, but sometimes one does creep on through. So, coffee does help me. Now, if I don't drink a coffee, guess what? I get smacked in the head with a migraine. So, I always keep a very healthy stock of coffee in my house, as you can see. Hello. There is my Java station right there. So, over here, I went to Big Lots once again. That is my happy place. That is my go-to. I must go on a daily basis. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. But listen, they do have some really great deals, okay? I mean, look at this coffee for $4 a piece, okay? $4.50 a piece, and you get some great flavors. Sean likes the breakfast blend, okay? While I prefer the flavors. Pecan praline, coconut cream, okay? Love it. Gotta have it. Now over here we do have a nice stock of some coffee, sugar rather. Whoop. It's not my my only stock of sugar. I do keep a nice stock of sugar. I like to stock up on my sugar, especially right before the holidays, because I am a very big baker. Okay, I love to bake, especially for the holidays. Now over here, I found some really great creamers. Now these are the liquid creamers. I generally only buy the powdered creamer, the unflavored powder creamer, but I got these because Sean does enjoy these. These are those little tiny little cups of the flavor creamers, so I did buy these. And plus, these really, they don't have to be refrigerated or anything like that. So these are good. I just leave these over at the Java station. So this is something to think about. This is going to be a comfort after SHTF happens. So this is, something that you would like to add to your preps. Coffee, tea. Me? I'm kidding. No, I'm not. So anyway, this is just a short video of something to show you that I'm adding to our preps, something that we always have in stock here at this house, and something that you might want to consider. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.